Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel IRN. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 10 side projects that you can start with ChatGPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. For those who are unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it is a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. It does this by analyzing a large data set and learning patterns and relationships within that data. Once it has learned these patterns, it can then use them to generate new, original text that is coherent. The last one is far the one with the most potential in a long-term future. Stick to the end of the video to hear of it. Now, let's dive into the top 10 side projects that you can start with ChatGPT. 1. Generate content for social media. ChatGPT can be used to generate a variety of different types of content for social media platforms, including tweets, Facebook posts, and Instagram captions. This can be especially useful for small businesses or individuals who don't have the time or resources to create original content on a regular basis. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a tweet about the benefits of using natural skincare products, create a Facebook post promoting a new vegan restaurant in town, and generate an Instagram caption for a photo of a beautiful sunset. 2. Write articles or blog posts. ChatGPT can be used to generate articles or blog posts on a wide range of topics, including news, politics, sports, technology, and more. These articles or posts can be published on your own website or submitted to online publications for wider distributions. Examples of prompts for this project include: write an article about the top trends in fashion for the upcoming season, generate a blog post about the benefits of practicing mindfulness, and write an article about the impact of climate change on the tourism industry. 3. Create podcasts or audio content. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts or outlines for podcasts or other audio content, such as audiobooks or radio shows. Once the script or outline has been generated, it can be recorded and edited for distribution. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a script for a podcast episode about the history of coffee, generate an outline for an audiobook about the science of happiness, and write a script for a radio show about the latest tech trends. 4. Generate marketing copy. ChatGPT can be used to create marketing copy that is tailored to a specific audience or product. This can include brochures, emails, landing pages, and other materials that are designed to persuade or inform potential customers. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a brochure for a new luxury hotel, create an email marketing campaign for a new yoga studio, and write a landing page for a new e-commerce website selling organic beauty products. 5. Write short stories or novels. ChatGPT can be used to generate short stories or even full-length novels, which can then be edited and published. This can be a great way to get started with creative writing or explore new ideas and genres. Examples of prompts for this project include: generate a short story about a young woman who discovers she has magical powers, write a novel about a group of friends who go on an adventure in a post-apocalyptic world, and create a short story about a detective solving a mystery in a small town. 6. Create product descriptions. ChatGPT can be used to generate product descriptions for e-commerce websites or other online marketplaces. These descriptions can be used to inform customers about the features and benefits of the product and to persuade them to make a purchase. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a product description for a new brand of eco-friendly cleaning products, generate a product description for a new line of vegan cosmetics, and write a product description for a new book on personal development. 7. Generate recipe content. ChatGPT can be used to generate recipe content for a food blog or cookbook. This can include recipes, cooking tips, and other related content that is designed to appeal to food enthusiasts. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a recipe for a vegan chocolate cake, generate a cooking tip for preparing the perfect steak, and write a recipe for a healthy smoothie bowl. 8. Write scripts for videos or plays. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for videos or plays, which can then be produced or performed. This can be a great way to get started with screenwriting or playwriting, or to explore new creative ideas. Examples of prompts for this project include: generate a script for a short film about a young musician trying to make it in the industry, write a play about a group of friends dealing with the challenges of growing up, and create a script for a comedy sketch show. 9. Create resumes or cover letters. ChatGPT can be used to generate professional resumes and cover letters that are tailored to specific job applications. This can be a useful tool for job seekers who want to stand out from the competition. Examples of prompts for this project include: write a resume for a recent graduate with a degree in marketing, generate a cover letter for a job application for a customer service role, and write a resume for a career change to a role in education. 10. AI prompting. ChatGPT just started a new career or hustle. Since AI technology won't go anywhere, the best we humans can do is adapt. So why not be the expert or group of experts in a company that can help every team in every department to improve and better their time used in monotonous tasks? Here we don't have prompting examples, since the most important aspect for this point is knowing in depth the structure of a prompt. We hope this gives you a good overview of the top 10 side projects that you can start with ChatGPT and provides some inspiration for how to use this powerful tool. Whether you are looking to generate content for your own website or blog, or you're interested in creating content for others, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource that helps you get started. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and that you'll tune in for more tips and insights in the future.